Ethan Blaze Alarms here, and this is System Test 5. This system test, I'm going to be featuring all of my EST Edwards devices that I have in my collection. Now, if you did not watch System Test 4.5, I did clear that battery trouble using the battery hack, so that's taken care of. Alright, now let's take a look at what we have in the system. I still have the same pull station over here, the Notifier NBG-12L. I moved the 278B over to this spot, so this is on zone 4 now. Over here, I have the Edwards 270 SPO. This is zone 5. And then for the zone 6 device, I did not have another Edwards device to put up, so I just have the BNG-1. Up here, I have the EST Genesis Chime. I don't know the model number, but it will be on screen. Over here, I have a combination device. I have the Simplex strobe plate and the Edwards Integrity. I again don't know the model number of either of these, so they'll both be on screen. And also, yes, I'd be more than happy to claim the best installed job ever. I think I did good. I don't have an integrity mounting bracket, so this was, I had to tape it in place, but that's alright, and then over here, I have the EST Genesis horn strobe, and the only way I was able to mount it here was using the trim plate, since these things are single gang, and that is a square back box. So yeah. And some smoke and heat detector. And then if I go down to the key switch, you might think it's the same thing that I had before where it would turn red when there's an alarm, but no. It's green when there are no supervisories, but it turns red when there's a supervisory. I learned from System Test 1 that I can actually use the smoke detector up there to trigger supervisory. So, we're going to give that a quick test, and then I also found a way to make it so that way pull stations can also trigger supervisory, but I haven't got any of that set up yet, mainly because I don't have like any general alarm pull stations. So that'll come later on if I do get any of those kind of pull stations. And then this is just an example of how I can do supervisory and set it up so that way there can be a supervisory alarm with this panel. And I'll show you how I did that later. But first, the system is set to code 3, and I'm going to pull the 278B. So, this is on the strobe neck, mainly because it doesn't work on the horn neck properly. It doesn't work right on the horn neck, and this is on the horn neck, so it's off, and there's no audible silence here, because it's a dual wire device. But I do have audible silence with this. So, I'm going to reset the system and the pull station. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just wanted to show you there that green light stays green when the system is an alarm because it's a supervisory light. But anyways, let's trigger supervisory. So I just need a tiny whatnot to put into this little test hole. There, now that triggers supervisory, which turns this relay on, which makes that red. Let's acknowledge that supervisory on zone 1. And yeah, that makes the LED red. So reset this, and I'm going to change the coding to merge time, and then we'll set off another pulsation. All right, let's pull this, and it is now on 120 BPM merge time. All right. Again, strobe knock. And let's actually re-alarm. Here we go. Awesome, awesome. Reset this. Yeah, that's just being held shut with a piece of tape. Alright, and to change the coding. Perfect. And I don't have to acknowledge any troubles. Yay! Alright, let's, with it on continuous, I have no idea what I did with my main set of keys, so I'll just grab my extra set of keys. Pretty sure I probably left them in the notifier pulsation, but oh well, I don't feel like going over there. I don't know why. Alright, here we go. And it's on continuous. So this will be fun. Alright. Oh, darn it. Alright. Reset, and yep. That's where my main set of keys are. And system reset is complete. Alright. So system tests here. Just to make sure you all know what I have. I'm probably going to do some collection video, but here's a quick overview of my pulsations. And here's a quick overview of my notification appliances. And I have a couple more, like Simplex T-bar and Pyrotronics pulsation. I also have this Wheelock MT sitting here because that's what my original plan was, but it didn't happen. Decided to go with an all EST system. So yeah, that's my system and all my devices. So if you do have any device suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'd be more than happy to. I'm always more than happy to take requests for systems, so do let me know. But anyways, that's the system test. So if you enjoyed this system test, be sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. I honestly, looking at my statistics over the past 28 days, crazy. I am absolutely blown away by everything. So thank you all so much for the support. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.